Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. In today's video, your girl is doing a makeup chit chat video with you guys. I figured we could catch up, do a little bit of makeup and do this makeup look together. So if you're interested, then definitely keep watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you give today's video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name's Crystal and I do a bunch of different videos, makeup, hauls, a bunch of different things. So if you're into content like that, then definitely subscribe, join the family. If you want to see how your girl came up with this makeup look, it's pretty cute, I might add. And you know, want to know what your girl's been up to the past couple of weeks, then keep watching. I'm doing a makeup look with you guys today. It's been a very long time. Obviously we did Vlogmas and everything like that, and then I did another video after that, but it's still been a little while. So your girl has had a lot going on, so time just hasn't been my best friend, but we're gonna do a little makeup look today. Hopefully we could catch up a little bit, and yeah. So, as you guys can see, I already sort of started my makeup look. I already had my base, you know, moisturizer, all of that good stuff. Did my brows, because you guys know how long my brows take, and we're trying to make this quick but not quick, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go into eyeshadow right now, and I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna do something quick, okay? You will not believe me if I tell you that I haven't done makeup in so long. Like literally, obviously it's not like I'm gonna forget how to do it. And my mirror's right here, guys, so if you see me looking that way, it's because I'm looking at the mirror, but I will be, you know, focused on you guys. But I literally haven't done makeup in like forever. Like for some weird reason, when I'm like working, it's not like a priority for me. I tend to, you know, do it if I feel like it, but I don't know. If I'm going out, then yes, but for work, I just feel like it's not really always necessary. But there have been points in time where I've like used makeup, like I've worn makeup every day to go to work. But yeah, I haven't been really going through that lately. So I've sort of been like just bare face. Yeah. So right now doing makeup, this is probably the most makeup I will have on in the past like 2 months. Like I haven't like worn makeup like at all. I don't know, I'm kind of going through a little dry spell again. I'm trying to figure out what content I should make. I have a few ideas, but you know, it's kind of hard like sticking to what you started with when you want to do like new stuff. But you know, obviously a lot of you guys have been with me like from the beginning, and obviously you guys, I'm sure, are here because of the makeup, because that's what your girl started doing. So I sort of want to keep doing that. But if you know, like I've literally dabbled in a lot of different things. I try like just if I want to do something just to do it, because I just feel like it keeps things interesting. Like I don't want to ever bore myself, you know, or like get to the point where like I'm just like, okay, I really don't want to do this anymore, you know. But at the same time, I want to keep it fun, and I want to do a lot of different things. So definitely I would start off with this by saying follow your girl on Instagram, because I do ask a lot of questions on there in terms of what you guys want to see, and just content ideas and fun things that we can do, you know what I mean, like that you guys will enjoy. But yeah, so I've like been on a dry spell lately, and on top of that I've had so much personal things going on that has really like taken up a lot of my time. Like I literally was not in my apartment for a week. I literally was in a hotel for a week, so staying in a hotel for a week while they did renovations in my apartment. So it was almost impossible to film in a hotel. Mind you, I thought about it because the scenery and all of that stuff would have been nice for video content, you know, but it was just, it was hard. I mean, it sounds like it would have been like a good idea and all of that, but it was just too much going on. Like, just imagine like trying to live in a hotel for a week. Like, it's like a one-room type of space, you know. It's hard. Yeah, so it was like a lot going on in the back end that you guys didn't really, you know about, obviously, because obviously you guys wouldn't know unless I share it. But so I'm back in my apartment now, but now I'm at the point where we're trying to move, so it's a lot. Like, obviously you guys know, you know, I have a baby, and if you're like an OG of my channel, then you know I live in the studio. And right now, like, my son's getting older, and it's just getting to the point where we need more space. I'm going in with my eyeliner now. Might have to look away from the camera for that. I'll be back. Alright, so eyeliner's on. Gonna go in with mascara. We have mascara on. I'm gonna go in now with foundation. I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder foundation. This is in the shade 5W1 Bronze. So I'm gonna use that. I actually, since I did the review for you guys on this product, I don't think I've used it. So it's just been sitting there because obviously, like I said, I haven't really been wearing makeup. I put some concealer on because, listen, your girl been breaking out, and over here too, so concealer should be dry by now. So I'm just gonna put our foundation on now. But yeah, I miss makeup so much. Like, I think part of the reason why I don't even do it on a regular day now is because it takes a lot of time. I'm not a perfectionist, but when it comes to my makeup, like, I'm super sensitive and I want it to always come out good. So it's not something I like to rush. Like, that's my son, by the way. I will say, recording videos with a toddler is super challenging. Also, I cut my hair. I needed a change. I don't know, I was sort of getting tired of my hair, and and on top of that, it was breaking because I'm gonna say, like, your girl slept on it a few times, didn't stick to my regular regimen, my nighttime regimen of wrapping my hair up and everything, and my hair really started to break. So I just felt like I had to cut it, you know, at least the ends. And I don't know what's going on with my eye right here. What is... Did I poke my eye and I didn't know it? Like... Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, now you want to say it? Hi. Say hi. Say it. Say hi. Good job, baby. And this is the Pure and Barbie. Urban Decay All-Nighter. So I've been using a new eyelash. These are the full eyelashes from Forever 21. Oh, you guys see them? I actually like them. I only used one pair so far, which is actually the one I'm using today, and that's twice I've used it. But it actually comes with 5 pairs, as you can see. So they've been really good. They're very, very natural. I like them, and they were only $8. Super cute. I got these for New Year's, and I ended up using it, but like I said, I haven't used makeup, so otherwise these would have been done already. But yeah, so I'm gonna put those on in a sec. I'm just waiting for my, you know, setting spray to set in. But yeah, so I sort of cut my hair. It's a little shorter. I've been sort of rocking it like this, you know, with the curls. Curls are still looking good. I just want you guys to see my curls are still good and bouncy. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lip. I'm gonna figure out which one I'm gonna use. Lashes are on, and I'm gonna get into a lip or something right now. I'm thinking like a purplish type, or I might just do like a brown. I don't. All right, so I did the purple. Purple lip liner. It looks pink on camera, but it's actually purple. This is the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. So I don't know. I feel like I'm trying to think which one will mellow it out enough. I don't know. I'm leaning towards either the first or the third. So either this one is between these two. This is Glitter Magic by LA Girl, and this is Touch and Soul. This is their metallic one. So I don't know. I feel like this one will look the best, so I'm gonna go with that one, which is the LA Girl. Still looks pink. I wanted it to tone down the pink a little bit. Okay. Still looks pink, but it's pretty. So this is the final look, guys. It came out cute. These earrings are from Five Below. Pretty cute. Yeah, so it's like a hoop, and it has a little droplet on the end. So cute. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little catch up and the makeup. Even though it wasn't like a full like step-by-step tutorial type of makeup tutorial, but if you guys want that, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you give today's video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to your girl's channel as yet. Follow me on Instagram at Chrisyslane, so that way you can stay interactive with your girl on everything new that I have coming up or going on. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.